This is a little tutorial of how to make pony jig heads. A little do-it-yourself. Doesn't really take too much. You end up having to, well, this is your finished product. You can stick whatever body you want on them. Things you're going to need is the pony head jig mold, and you can get those at your Ace Hardware or wherever sells your molds. Tells in there different sizes of molds that you're going to use, that you can make, suggested blade size, hook size, swivel. So if you go out and buy one of those, you can make different size pony head jigs. Usually you can buy them at the store about, I'd say about $2-3 a piece. You can make them for cents. So if you get everything that you need to have, here I got my lead and got some paint, got more paint up there, and you're going to want to make a whole bunch of molds, and then you'll end up painting them at the end. These little heads right here you can take off, just it's lead, so you can just wiggle them off and they'll end up sitting there like looking like that when they're all said and done. Now just to show you how fairly easy it is, we'll go ahead and stick our swivel in there. And we'll stick our hook in there, about like that. We'll close it up. And gonna end up slow that down. Got it shot in there, lay it to the side. Open it up, and that's what it should look like. If you get done making so many of those, then you can grab your mold, and get yourself a nice heat gun. What you want to do is you'll want to heat up that lead just enough to where the paint sticks to it. So you can turn this around. What you do is we'll get the paint over here. Turn her on. Let her heat up just a little bit. Rotate it around. It gets nice and hot. Get our color. Go ahead and heat it up some more. Get it nice and hot. Then we sprinkle some different color to it. Heat it up some more. Let that paint stick. Then we got ourselves a nice little mold. Let that sit. It cools off fairly quick. While it's still cooling down, you can free this up, this swivel. Go ahead and get your needle nose pliers. Go ahead and stick it. It's what it is. It's a ring spreader. Spreads that little ring to allow our blade to get in there. Stick that through. Get our fresh mold. Stick it through the swivel. And there you go. Got yourself a pony mold. Now all you gotta do is pick a color or whatever tail you want. You stick that tail right on it like that. Got yourself a nice pony mold. For cents on the dollar. One thing to look out for when you're messing with your molds, you can see that mine's dark, right where the pony molds will be. When you buy a fresh mold, you want to go ahead and light a candle and let the soot blacken the insides. That's just make sure that the lead don't try to stick. The lead won't stick, you won't have too much problems, but adding that soot in there keeps it from wanting to stick. And it'll allow it just to pretty much fall right out. There you go. 2 different pony molds. Like I said, you go to Walmart or whatnot, those things are usually about $2, $2-3. You can paint it whatever color you want. Nice shiny. You can paint so many different colors that you can get. Use that Protect. Get plenty of different colors through there. There's our blades, our split rings, and got our little hooks, got our swivels. That's easy to do, fast way of making your own jigs. Save a lot of money. I've done this for about 6 years, and I've saved a lot of money on them jigs.